Welcome to CDG Inspection, a globally recognized testing laboratory committed to ensuring safety, quality, and compliance for your products. Our team of highly skilled experts specializes in testing to the latest standards. But what is BS 6396-2008? It's the gold standard for electrical systems in office furniture. We provide comprehensive testing for electrical furniture, verifying compliance with BS 6396-2008 requirements for offices worldwide. Compliance ensures safety, protects users, and enhances product reliability, keeping your business ahead of industry standards. Our testing process examines electrical connections, load distribution, and component quality to guarantee full compliance. We use state-of-the-art equipment to deliver accurate and reliable testing results. Trusted by leading brands globally, we are your go-to partner for all testing needs. We provide detailed reports and certifications that showcase your product's compliance. Experience unparalleled precision, expertise, and unmatched customer service with CDG Inspection. Our testing ensures market access, customer trust, and enhanced brand reputation. For businesses, compliant furniture means a safe and efficient work environment for your employees. Ready to get started? Visit www.cdginspection.com to make an inquiry today. Ensure compliance. Guarantee safety. Choose CDG Inspection. CDG Inspection, your partner in quality and safety testing.